Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya hakini ki khendiat tayo kala Thaw ki Komiti ki balakli da ki Menteri Sarkar ban Hiar ki Khappud ban ya kendu ki nongsong snong ki basong ha ki tu ki jaka Khappud bat ka jela Assam. Nakaleng Menteri rang ba ka jela hani kasngi ula pentip bak Sarkar Meghalaya kala dep Thaw ki Komiti bat nakaleng Sarkar Assam ru kan sa Thaw ki Komiti bat Hadien kani baro artli ki kenhun kin selek ban Jurip nya kitu ki jaka ki badon ke jingya kajia haswa ban yasong perkhat biang ban shim ya karai.
From Meghalaya, we have already formed the committees quite some time back. For Ribhoy, the chairperson of the committee will be our Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tinsong, and Mr. Dasaket Lamare, and the MLA from Jirang, Sostenes Sotun, and Mr. Merelbon, Honorable MLA from Nongpo, and the Deputy Commissioner will be members from our side. For West Khasi Hills, the chairperson of the committee is Shri Renington Lingdo Tongkar, and the members of the committee are Shri Kimfa Marbanyang, Shri Jigur Morthong, and Shri Macmillan Barsat, and the Deputy Commissioner will be the Member Secretary, and the committee in East Jaintia Hills, or rather I should say Jaintia Hills as a whole, chairperson will be Shri Snobalang Dhar. We expect that the process of doing the homework as well as meetings, joint committee, joint visits, all of these will take place very, very shortly.